WNS is hiring and they are looking for finance professionals who are looking to build a strong career with one of the top global companies. The eligibility criteria is simple. You need to have relevant experience in finance, and your notice period should be between immediate to a maximum of 30 days. If you're actively searching for a job change and meet these conditions, this is a great opportunity to explore. Before you walk in, make sure your interview preparation is on point. You can head to the YouTube playlist section on my channel where I've shared videos covering real interview questions and answers. And if you want complete end-to-end preparation, visit my website corporatewala.in. There you'll find ebooks and job-oriented video courses. Now coming to the key highlights, this is a walk-in drive being held on the 3rd and 4th of July 2025. The reporting time is between 10:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. and entry will be strictly on a first come, first served basis. The job location is Pune and the shift will be night shift. The designation being offered is senior associate and lead associate, and it's a work from office role. Now, talking about the profile, this opportunity is for the order to cash process or O2C, where you'll be handling global accounts receivable responsibilities. That includes customer collections, voice calling, dispute management, reconciliations, refund processing, and query handling for clients and credit controllers. Experience in tools like GetPaid will be considered a plus, and strong communication skills are a must. The walk-in address is Pune, Maharashtra 411014. Make sure to carry your updated resume and reach on time. No prior registration is needed. Just walk in directly. If you meet the eligibility, don't miss this chance. And if you're still looking for opportunities, comment your profile and current location below so I can try to find a suitable opening for you as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more job updates.